Hi everyone, today's headlines. New farm laws not brought overnight by PM. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 11,832. Cabinet put on hold appointments for NSSB. Rio and Zillion call for early solution. Iran builds underground nuclear facility amid US tension. Northeast United suffers first defeat in ISL 7. Ashwin helps India to take first inning lead on day 2 of first test. Use of flex banners in government offices banned. NPSC prelims results out. News in details. New farm laws not brought overnight by PM. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday asserted that the farm laws were not brought overnight, and even opposition parties advocated such laws but are criticizing these reforms now as they are upset because Modi has done it, and said the government was ready with our heads bowed, our hands folded, with humility to allay any concern over the issue. The Prime Minister's fresh overturns came during an address to farmers of Madhya Pradesh. Thousands of farmers, especially from Punjab and Haryana, continue to protest at Delhi borders for more than 3 weeks as formal talks between the government and representative of Farmers Union remain deadlocked, with protesting agriculturalists refusing to accept anything less than a repeal of the newly enacted law. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 11,832. Nagaland on Friday recorded 12 new COVID-19 positive cases, 10 in Kohima and 2 in Mogojong, taking the tally to 11,832. Cabinet put on hold appointments for NSSB. State Cabinet on Friday decided to keep in abeyance the appointment of Nagaland Staff Selection Board Chairman and other members of the board till the Cabinet Subcommittee submits its report after examining the various demands and grievances regarding NSSB. Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Nebu Krono said that the cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister after thorough deliberation decided to keep on hold all appointments of the NSSB. Rio and Zillion called for early solution. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefirio and Leader of Opposition TR Zillion have issued a joint statement calling upon the Government of India and Naga organization participating in the peace talks to arrive at an early solution, which will bring lasting peace and prosperity to the people of the region. The joint statement comes after over a month when both the PDA and the NPF during the November 5 joint press conference failed to agree on coming together under one platform for Naga political issue. As reported, Union Home Minister Amit Shah had advised both PDA and NPF to hold a joint press conference and to endorse the October 15 consultative meeting resolution. Political observers were of the opinion that Centre also desired that both Rio and Zillion issue a joint statement after the joint press meet, which did not happen. The main point that Amit Shah had focused on was to have all political parties and legislators come together so as to endorse the October 15 resolutions. Iran builds underground nuclear facility amid US tension. Iran has begun construction on a site at its underground nuclear facility at Fordo amid tension with the US over its atomic program. Satellite photos obtained Friday by the Associated Press show Iran has not publicly acknowledged any new construction at Fordo, whose discovery by the West in 2009 came in an earlier round of brinkmanship before world power struck the 2015 nuclear deal with Tehran. While the purpose of the building remains unclear, any work at Fordo likely will trigger new concern in the waning days of the Trump administration before the inauguration of the President-elect Joe Biden. Already, Iran is building at its Natanz nuclear facility at a mysterious explosion in July there that Tehran described as a sabotage attack. Northeast United suffers first defeat in ISL 7. Northeast United FC slumped to their first defeat in their ISL campaign as they went down 0-1 to Jamshedpur FC at the Tilak Maidan Stadium here on Friday. Aniket Jadhav's strike was the difference between the two sides in what was the 500th game of the ISL. TP Rahinesh also pulled off a terrific penalty save in the second half to keep Jamshedpur unbeaten streak against Northeastern intact. Ashwin helps India take first inning lead on day 2 of first test. Off spinner R. Ashwin took 4 for 55 while pace bowler Umesh Yadav took 3 for 40 as India took a handy 53-run lead as Australia were bowled out for 191 in their first inning on the second day of the first test match here at Adelaide Oval on Friday. Use of flex banners in government offices banned. State government has banned the use of flex banners, board posters by departments, institutions, government agencies in government offices during functions with immediate effect. In a notification, Urban Development Department stated that the ban was in pursuance to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India order dated February 13, 2020. NPSC prelims results out. Nagaland Public Service Commission has declared the result of NCS, NPS, NSS and Allied Services Preliminary Exam 2019. Details are made available at www.npsc.co.in and NPSC Office Notice Board. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.